Dear student, in this video we learn the examples on Legendre polynomials. So in the previous video we learned the Bessel's. In this video we learn the examples on Legendre polynomials. So let us take one example. Express f of x is equal to x cube plus 2x square minus x plus 1 in terms of Legendre polynomial. So Legendre polynomial means the given function is in terms of x is there, we have to convert in terms of p by using the Legendre standard formula. So this is the procedure, nothing is there. So here given f of x is in terms of x cube, x square, x is there. So we have to convert in terms of p term, that is p3, p2, p1, p0 like that. So that is called as Legendre polynomials by using the that is Legendre definitions. So here let us solve the example. We know that these are the standard formula. By using this we have to solve the example. P naught of x equal to 1, P1 of x is equal to x, P2 of x equal to 1 by 2 into 3x square minus 1, P3 of x equal to 1 by 2 into 5x cube minus 3x, P4 of x equal to 1 by 8 into 35 into x raised to 4 minus 30x square plus 3. So these are the standard formula of Legendre. So these are proved, but they are not asked in the syllabus. All are proved, these are values. Next, so depending on the question, we have to choose P0, P1, P2, P3. So in the question, x cube is there, so we take up to P3 because in the P3 x cube is there. If the given polynomial in terms of x raised to 4 is there, we take P4 of x because it contains x raised to 4. Means we put the value of x cube in terms of p, we put the value of x square in terms of p, we put the value of x in terms of p, then constant in terms of p. That is called as Legendre polynomials. So express in terms of p, that is called as Legendre polynomial. So given that the function is x cube plus 2x square minus x plus 1, so we have to put the value of x cube, x square, x and 1. So 1 means what? P naught of x means what? P1 of x. Then x square can be obtained by the p2 of x. In x square is, here is there, p2 of x equal to 1 by 2, 3x square minus 1. Therefore you take x square, keep this side and take the remaining term this side. On simplification we get x square is equal to 1 by 3 into 2 p2 of x plus 1. So we have expressed in terms of p, the value of 1 is p naught. So substitute p naught. Therefore x square is equal to 1 by 3 into 2 p2 of x plus p naught of x. So x square value this is. Similarly, we want x cube value. X cube value, it is p3 of x contain x cube value. So we write the x cube in terms of p series. So that is take x cube formula. So keep x cube here, then take all the terms this side. X cube is equal to 1 by 5, 2 p3 of x plus 3x. So here again x is there, the value of x is p1 of x. Therefore x cube is equal to 1 by 5, 2 p3 of x plus 3 p1 of x. So now we know the x cube value in terms of p, x square value in terms of p, x value in terms of p, constant value in terms of p. So put and simplify. If it is x raised to 4 is there, then use this formula and simplify. Find the x4 and put the value. So this is the example. So put x cube, x square, x and constant value in f of x. We get f of x is equal to, so that is x cube is there. So x cube means this is 1 by 5 into 2 p3 of x plus 3 p1 of x. So it is x cube plus 2 x square is there, 2 as it is. So x square value is 1 by 3 into 2 p2 of x plus p naught of x. This is x square value. Then minus x is there. So minus x means that is p1 of x. Then constant value is that is p naught of x. So we have substituted the x cube, x square and x and constant value. Then simplify the function. So 1 divided by 5 multiply, we get 2 by 5 into p3 of x plus this into this 3 by 5 into p1 of x. So multiply 2 by 3 into this, that is 4 divided by 3 into p2 of x plus 2 into this will be 2 into P naught of x minus P1 of x plus P naught of x. So this is a simplification. Next, we club the P3 term, P2 term, P1 term, P0 term, then write that is descending power in terms of P3, P2, P1, that is the answer. So simplify. F of x is equal to, then club the P3 term. So P3 is only one term is there. So 2 by 5 into P3 of x. So next term is we have P2. So P2 is only one term is there, plus 4 by 3 into P2 of x. Next P1. So it is also P1 of x. It is also P1 of x. So that can be written as, so P1 of x take common. Then remaining is 3 by 5 minus 1 plus P0 of x. So P0 of x is again two terms are there. Take P0 of x common. Then simplify 2 by 3 plus 1. Or on simplification we get f of x equal to 2 by 5 into P3 of x plus 4 by 3 into P2 of x plus, so LCM is 5, so 3 minus 5 is minus 2, plus minus minus, so minus 2 by 5 P1 of x. So similarly simplify this, LCM is 3, then 3 plus 2 is 5, so 5 divided by 3 into P0 of x. So this is the answer. So given function is in terms of x, we have written in terms of p, that is f of x is equal to 2 by 5 P3 of x plus 4 by 3 into P2 of x minus 2 by 5 into P1 of x plus 5 by 3 into P0 of x. So Legendre means the given expression in terms of x plus p by using the formula. So this is a Legendre example.